All right, well, it looks like it's the right one, so it fits. All right, so there's our new StarknightMT vented windshield, and I like it a lot. We got to check out these vents. So here's a look at them from the outside. Currently, this one is open, and this one is closed. And the operation of them is so simple. Let's get in the cab here. So, if your knob is loose, you just, you slide it shut, open. Lock it down, you just turn the knob. These are sweet. So this should save me from having to switch around my windshield and mess with hardwares and wire ties. Okay, time for driving test, 20 miles per hour. We're gonna start with the vents closed, and then we will switch to vents open. All right, that was easy enough. I felt no air coming in whatsoever. Let's go to vents open. All right, 20 miles per hour down a sketchy hill. Okay, definitely plenty of air coming in. It comes in kind of towards your chest more than your face, but I'm just going to do closed one more time. I'm going to put my hand down there by the vent. All right, it was that quick and easy to shut those vents. Let's go. There's a deer. All right, yeah, absolutely huge difference between the amount of air coming in closed and open. And check this out too. So operating these things is so simple. You're just loosening that and sliding it for open close. But you can put it halfway if you want. For in the fall, not winter, not spring. Put it wherever you want. Tighten it down.